gain access to my earlier social media posts. So you could even use them to promote it, to showcase a lot of travel offers over a period of that week. And the best beauty is, through this folder access, you get to see what the social media artwork is, who the vendor who has given that special price, the quotation calculator which shows the net pricing and your margins that is added. And all you need to do is download and post them, and your markup is also added already in the artwork. So all you have to do is just download and post. Do not have to change any details in it. And when someone asks you a lead, that's when you can reach out to the vendors. You can reach out to me. I will tell you who the vendors to contact to, and then you can get the pricing, give a proposal to the client, and on confirmation earn great profits. Remember, the profits are going to be for you. You're going to collect the payment under your own bank account, and you're going to be transferring the payments abroad. There is nowhere I come in between to earn anything from your confirmations.